So I got my hands on the new complexion products by Beauty. This one is the Changemaker foundation. It has micellar technology, and then I have the primer here for oily skin because I am super oily. And we're gonna see if how this wear and how it looks on me. This is a clean beauty brand. I have the shade L25, which is a perfect shade for me. The primer claims to control shine and blur the look of pores. I usually don't wear primers, but since they're recommending that you use both, I'm gonna try it for the sake of this review. Their packaging is quite similar. They're both a squeezy tube. I'm not wearing any highlighter right now or anything. This is just how the foundation looks. I'm gonna show you guys now how I wear it. I have the normal to oily skin. They have a hydrating one as well if you're dry. It's quite creamy. It doesn't feel super silicone-y. It just feels creamy. Let's see. Very much I don't know, it doesn't feel grapey either. It just feels like a lighter version of a silicone primer. I get really oily around here. It says it's not supposed to pile up with your skincare. This is how my skin looks like without any foundation. The packaging on the foundation is kind of similar to the one of the primer, but this one has the shade on the border. It's for all skin types, but of course you use the primer to neutralize your skin so it's ready for the foundation. Could be marketing. I'm gonna shake it because last time I didn't shake the foundation. I shaked it. It's more of a cream texture. It doesn't really go anywhere. I'm gonna dab a little bit. I'm gonna start with the brush first. So it looks really natural. It doesn't really look matte at all. It looks super natural. It has like a radiance to it. They claim it's like a medium coverage. I mean, yeah. I think that if you had like active acne that had, you know, marks to cover, you would probably need to go on with a second layer. I'm gonna put a little more on this area. I'm just gonna go in with the brush in the back right there. This area gets really red. It has a slight scent. Again, it's like very barely there, like you can barely smell it. That kind of sucks because if it's a clean beauty brand, a lot of people are not gonna like fragrance. They say they use a blend of natural and synthetic fragrances, but it's like a very small amount. I think they could have left it out, but so far this looks really good. This looks amazing. Honestly, like my skin looks so good. So with the sponge, I always feel like I need another layer. I could leave it like this for like an everyday, not too much coverage kind of wear. Like I don't like feeling heavy on my day-to-day. If you have a lot of scarring, you would probably need to cover it up. Like I know I have a little bit of scarring around here. So I definitely want to go and build it up more. It has 1 fluid ounce. Almost all foundations have 1 fluid ounce, so it's not like it's a small amount. You do need to use a little more if you want to build it up. Overall, it is a beautiful finish though. I'm gonna put on some concealer and a little bit of makeup and then we'll be right back. So yeah, it's 12. I'm gonna be wearing this for a couple hours, maybe till 5 p.m. The products looked really good on top of it. I put a powder blush, no highlighter. This is all the foundation. I have oily skin, so things do tend to look a lot more dewier on me than usual. But I mean, it is radiant super naturally. It's not gonna make you look matte. More of a natural sheen, more of a natural finish. And I really like it. So this product is vegan and cruelty-free and gluten-free. And for the primer, it has willow bark, which is what makes it mattifying. It does claim that it blurs the look of pores. I don't know about that. I don't really think it does. Maybe if you have tiny little pores, but my pores are huge because I'm oily. Yeah, you can see my pores. Neither the primer or the foundation really blurs anything. We all have pores. I'm not too mad about it. If you don't like your pores, you would probably benefit from a pore primer. So I really like both of these products. They feel great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. How I matched this, I got this online. So what I did to find my shade, which was actually super accurate, I'm really surprised. I went over here to Shade Matcher. I'm gonna go to Cover Effects because I usually use the Power Play foundation, and you're gonna select it and you're gonna pick your shade. So I would just recommend you which one you should get. And honestly, it was pretty accurate. I think it matches me very well.